If you're trying to log in to CapCut on PC and the app is giving you problems, or you're running into export issues right after signing in, this video will walk you through the fastest fixes step by step. Sometimes CapCut on desktop can be affected by hardware settings, cached files, or export path errors, and the good news is that you can usually solve it in just a few minutes. So in this tutorial, I'll show you exactly what to change inside CapCut to get things working properly again. And, if this video helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more easy software tutorials. Let's jump right in. The first fix is to disable hardware acceleration inside CapCut. Open CapCut on your PC and go to the Settings menu. Once you're inside Settings, click the Performance tab. Here you'll see options for Speed Up Hardware Encoding and Speed Up Hardware Decoding. Turn both of these off. These settings can sometimes cause login-related glitches, export crashes, or freezing issues on certain computers. After turning them off, click Save to apply the changes. Once that's done, fully restart CapCut and try again. If you were having trouble logging in or exporting after logging in, this step alone can often fix it. The next fix is to clear the cache and change the export path. Go back into CapCut settings and open the Draft tab. In this section, look for the cache size area and click the delete icon next to it. Clearing the cache helps remove temporary files that may be causing CapCut to behave incorrectly. After that, open the export window. Before you export, change the export to folder path to your desktop. Using the desktop as your export location can help avoid permission issues or folder path errors that sometimes happen in other directories. Then run the export again and see if the problem is resolved. If CapCut still isn't working the way you want, the third fix is to lower the export parameters. This is especially helpful if your PC is struggling with a heavy project or high-quality output settings. Open your export settings and reduce the resolution if needed. Lower the frame rate or decrease the bit rate. These changes make the export less demanding and can help CapCut finish the process successfully. If you're just trying to get back into the app and use it smoothly, lowering the load on your system can make a big difference. The key is to test one fix at a time so you know exactly which change solved the issue. Start with hardware acceleration, then clear the cache and change the export path, and finally lower the export parameters if needed. Most users will find that one of these steps gets CapCut running properly again on PC. So to quickly recap, disable hardware acceleration in the Performance tab, clear the cache in the Draft tab, and export to your desktop, then reduce export settings if the problem continues. And once everything is working, you should be able to log in, edit, and export without the same errors coming back. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more CapCut and PC troubleshooting guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.